Welcome back to another video. Today we have the Acme Tools ad, the Black Friday Cyber Monday deals. DeWalt says pricing valid through 11/28/2019 through 12/2/2019 unless otherwise noted. While supplies last, no exceptions other than discounts allowed, or no other discounts allowed. My bad. We got a sale. $139. It's a 20-volt max LED spotlight flashlight battery bundle. So you get two flats. Before we continue, don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell for more tool reviews, two deals, and more Black Friday deals. I keep posting videos almost every day. All right, let's go ahead and finish this up or continue with this. So basically, you get two flashlights and two batteries for $139. Not a bad deal if you need the flashlights and the batteries. You got a sale here for $299. $299 for a 12-inch double bevel compound miter saw, and you get a free miter saw stand. So pretty much it's like the same deal that they're running at I believe at the competitor. I believe Home Depot is doing just about the same thing. So it's a good thing Acme Tools is doing it, because they're competing directly with them. Acme Tools, they do have a store, but you could buy online, and pretty much makes up for that. So it does include a stand. It says DWX725BF. That's a $199 value. It said valid through 11/29/19 through 12/4/19. So you got a little bit more than what it says here on the ad. It says save $90, 20-volt max brushless blower kit. Doesn't really doesn't really tell you the price here. Yep, no price. It says save $90. So you take $90 off. Now $169. It's a great deal, guys. For $169, definitely a great deal. We got a pack of 4 batteries. Let's see here. See if we can get a bigger picture here. Looks like is that a 5 amp hour? And maybe a 6 amp hour? Can't really tell how big these batteries are. So it probably looks like a 5 amp hour. These might be bigger. I don't know if you want to put in the comments down below if you think you know what these batteries are that are on sale. You got sale $269. So for this 10-inch compact job table saw, this is the smaller one. Does work pretty good. Love these saws, especially the rail system here, the wall system that they have, the measuring. Oh my God, so nice. DeWalt's always really nice on the table saws. You got buy starter kit. Let's get 2 bare tools for free. Guys, this is a smoking deal. This is a really good deal here. Yeah, definitely a great deal. See, you pay $299. When I saw this, I'm like, you get 1 tool for free. That doesn't sound like a good deal at all. But once I saw this, to get 2 bare free tools, that is a great deal. It says, receive your choice of 2 free select bare tools up to $398 in value. Valid through 2/29/19 to 12/13/19. If you guys are planning to get this, make sure you guys do it as early as possible on the 29th, because some of these choices will go out. So they'll go out of them. So $299, you got a 20 volts 5 amp hour starter kit. So you got 2 5 amp hour batteries and a charger, and you get select any of these tools. This is the DCF 887. The 887. It's not a bad drill. Or the DCD 9968. It's a great drill there. Or the DC 55746, I believe. I can't really see. I don't know that by the top of my memory. And this is the DCD 99 One, I can't see the last number. But anyways, you guys get the picture. These are brushless tools, by the way. These are great tools. Definitely recommend those for you guys. You got the sale, $4.99. This is a 13-inch 2-speed thickness planer. Infeed, outfeed tables, and extra knives. You got a what is this? A T-Stack Connect radio. So this is the radio for the tough system. $1.99. Definitely a great deal. You got a 20-volt max brushless 5-inch random orbit sander kit with the jigsaw. So you get a sander and a jigsaw for $1.99. You get a 20-volt drill and driver. Drill driver and impact driver kit with the tough system. And you get some sort of lights. I believe this is a light. It doesn't tell you. Oh, okay. It includes a free headlamp. It's a DWHT814 24F. So it's $249 for that. It is definitely worth it with this tough system. You get a sale, $159, the 20-volt back 3-tool compact combo kit with the tough system. These are not brushless. These are brush tools, by the way. So if you guys see here, you got a brushless. You guys see here, it's a brushed. This is the older model. Still, it's a great deal at $159. DeWalt's are great tools. All right, you got Black Friday, Cyber Monday deals. Same thing. So you got a, what is this? A 2-in-1 or 2-inch 18-gauge finish nailer for $69. A 23-gauge micro pin nailer, $69. You got a 10-inch job site table saw, $2.99. It's a great. Oh, you get a free a blade here. I believe it does come with the stand. Yeah, I believe it does come with the stand if they show it here. 18-volt brushless. What is this? Collateral framing nailer, $3.79. And then you get a free tool. So it does include a free 1/2-inch drill kit and a light. Nice. So $3.79 will get you a framing nailer, a drill kit, a light. All right, this we have, what is this? A 10-inch compact miter saw. See if we can get a bigger picture here. 10-inch compact miter saw includes a free 60-tooth blade. A $34.99 value. Set value through, okay. There's a blade down there. You got the, what is this? Let's see if we can make it bigger. We got the LX 18 volts LXT 6-tool combo kit for $2.99. Definitely a great deal. You got, what is this? A 2-inch, or yeah, 2-inch 18-gauge brad nailer for $49. Wow, this is a big kit here. 18-volt LXT 8-tool combo kit for $3.99. Definitely a great deal there. And then you have the 18-volt LXT drill driver impact driver kit for $149. You got an 18-volt compact 1/2-inch drill driver kit for $69. You got, what is this? $79 for a Colt electric variable speed palms router. We got a 12-inch dual bevel gliding, or yeah, glide miter saw. Yeah, these are nice. $549. You got a VS high performance rotary toolkit, $99. Definitely some great discounts. You got a 9-gallon wet and dry safety vacuum, HPA safety vacuum, $2.99. $99. You got a cordless window vacuum, $49.99. Portable indoor wet and dry vacuum, $49.99. 1,800 psi, 1.3 gallons per minute electric pressure washer, $119.99. You got a 12,000 BTU cordless portable propane heater, $139.99. You got a 21-inch high wheel shelf propelled lawnmower or self propelled lawnmower for $249.95. Multimeter holiday set for $299.99. 12-gallon NXT wet and dry vac. So this is a rigid, by the way. If you guys are rigid fans, we do have rigid, but they do sell it in a different color, not like the competitor sells it in orange. We got $72.95. We got 15-inch floor drill press for $6.99. Parallel clamps, buy one get one free. And you got some more wood lathe, remote control air filtration system, top drawer press for $349. All right, the last page, guys, we got Milwaukee. Was $99. Definitely a smoking deal. A great, well, not a smoking deal because we've seen this before, but I always recommend Milwaukee. Milwaukee is a great brand, especially at $99. You're getting a drill driver and an impact driver, 2 batteries, and a charger in a bag. For $99 is a great deal, especially in Milwaukee. You got sale $19.99, a 74 piece Shockwave impact duty driver bit set. Great set there. $19.97, a 6-piece screwdriver set. And you got M18 half-an-inch compact drill driver kit for $89. This is not brushless. This is brushed. Every time you're buying a tool here, make sure you look and it says brushless. If you like this one, you got this one. It does say M18 and then it says brushless by the side. That means it's a newer tool, a brushless tool. Not necessarily the newest because Milwaukee has the M18 Fuel version, which is the newer one. This will be like the last year's model. Still a very well made tool. Very solid tool. You got, what is this? M12 screwdriver kit with LED and 40-piece bit set packed in. Definitely a nice deal there. But me personally, I would go with this. M18 brushless, 1/4 inch impact driver kit for $139. What is this? M18 red lithium high output 3 amp hour compact batteries 2-pack. This is the higher output, guys. This is the newer one, the new batteries that they have, the high output batteries, red lithium. M18 hammer drill driver and reciprocating saw kit for $229. So, and you get a battery for free. Not a bad deal. You're getting a 5 amp hour for free. You're already getting 2 batteries here. So you're getting 3 batteries, a drill driver, a reciprocating saw, in a bag for $229. Not a bad deal. And 12 fuel hammer drill. See, this is the fuel. This is telling you that it's one of the newer tools to that. Still not a bad deal at $179. If you guys can afford $179, definitely go for the fuel. M12 fuel hammer drill and driver impact driver kit, $179. M18 fuel 10-inch pole saw kit with the quick lock attachment. So I guess you can detach this and attach a different tool. What is this? M18 fuel hammer drill and impact driver kit with the pack out for $299. These are brushless and you get a free battery. It includes a free 5 amp hour battery. This is a great deal. I remember last year we had the sale. I don't know if it was Acme tools or not, but we had a sale, something similar to this. It wasn't the fuel though. It was, I believe, brushless tools for $199 in a pack out. You get M18 5-tool combo kit for $299. And that's it. Anyways, just wanted to share this with you guys. Don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell for more Black Friday deals, more tool deals, more tool reviews, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.